Welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring one of Italy's most romantic and historic cities, Verona. From ancient Roman architecture to charming medieval streets, Verona is full of unforgettable experiences. In this video, I'll show you 6 amazing places you must visit in Verona. Perfect for history lovers, photographers, and travelers looking for real Italian vibes. So grab your coffee, sit back, and let's start our journey through the heart of Verona. 1. Verona Arena. It is one of the most breathtaking landmarks in the city and a true symbol of Verona's ancient soul. Built nearly 2,000 years ago, this Roman amphitheater is incredibly well preserved, making it one of the finest of its kind in the world. As you stand before it, the sheer size and strength of the stone walls immediately remind you of the power and brilliance of Roman engineering. What makes the Verona Arena truly special is that it's not just a historical monument, it's still alive today. Inside, the open-air arena creates a magical atmosphere, especially during summer when it hosts world-class opera performances and concerts. The acoustics are so perfect that even without microphones, the sound fills the entire space beautifully. Walking through the arena feels like stepping back in time. You can almost imagine the crowds of ancient Rome, the excitement, the drama, and the energy that once filled this place. Whether you visit during the day to admire its architecture or at night when it glows under soft lights, Verona Arena is an unforgettable experience and a must-see for anyone visiting the city. 2. Torre delle Lamberti. Rising 84 meters above the heart of Verona, this magnificent medieval tower is the tallest building in the historic center and one of the city's most iconic sites. What makes Torre delle Lamberti truly unforgettable isn't just its age. It was first built way back in 1172, but the breathtaking panoramic views you get from the top. Whether you choose to climb the historic 368 steps or take the glass elevator, the moment you reach the viewing terrace, you'll be rewarded with a 360-degree vista of Verona's rooftops, winding streets, the sparkling Adige River, and distant hills, perfect for photos or simply soaking up the beauty of this elegant Italian city. Down below, the tower's bells, the Marangona and Ringo, remind you of Verona's long and lively past, once signaling everything from the hours of work to calls for town meetings. Standing atop Torre delle Lamberti, you'll truly feel the spirit of Verona, a city where history and beauty meet around every cobblestone corner. 3. Ponte Pietra. It is one of the most charming and historic bridges in Verona, quietly connecting the city's past with its present. Built during Roman times, this beautiful stone bridge stretches gracefully across the Adige River, offering some of the most peaceful and picturesque views in the city. What makes Ponte Pietra truly special is its sense of timelessness. As you walk across the bridge, you can feel centuries of history beneath your feet, from Roman foundations to medieval restorations. The soft colors of the stone, reflected in the flowing river below, create a scene that feels almost like a painting. Ponte Pietra is especially magical at sunset, when the warm light touches the surrounding hills and historic buildings. Locals pause here, visitors take photos, and the city seems to slow down for a moment. From the bridge, you can admire Verona's rooftops, nearby churches, and the gentle curve of the river. Simple, elegant, and full of history, Ponte Pietra is more than just a crossing. It's a place to stop, reflect, and truly feel the beauty of Verona. 4. Castelvecchio and Castelvecchio Bridge. Castelvecchio is one of Verona's most powerful and impressive landmarks, a medieval fortress that tells stories of strength, strategy, and survival. Built in the 14th century, this red brick castle stands proudly along the Adige River, with its strong towers and walls reflecting Verona's rich and complex history. Inside Castelvecchio, history meets art. The castle now houses a museum filled with sculptures, paintings, and medieval artifacts, But even without entering, the structure itself feels like a journey back in time. Walking along its stone corridors and battlements, you can imagine knights, rulers, and guards who once protected the city. Right beside it, the Castelvecchio Bridge, also known as Ponte Scaliger, is a true architectural masterpiece. With its bold arches and fortified design, the bridge stretches across the river in a dramatic and elegant way. From here, you get stunning views of the flowing Adige River, the city skyline, and the castle walls glowing in warm light. Together, Castelvecchio and its bridge create a scene that is both strong and beautiful, where history and scenery blend perfectly. It's a place that captures the medieval soul of Verona and leaves a lasting impression on every visitor. 5. Piazza delle Erbe. It is the vibrant heart of Verona, where history, culture, and everyday life come together in the most beautiful way. This lively square was once the Roman Forum, and even today, you can feel centuries of history beneath your feet as you walk across it. Surrounded by colorful medieval buildings, elegant frescoed facades, and charming cafes, the square feels like an open-air museum. At the center, the Madonna Verona fountain quietly watches over the bustling scene, adding a sense of calm to the lively atmosphere around it. What makes Piazza delle Erbe truly special is its energy. During the day, market stalls fill the square with fresh fruits, souvenirs, and local flavors, while locals and travelers mingle under the warm Italian sun. As the evening approaches, the square transforms. Lights glow softly, cafes come alive, and the air fills with conversation and laughter. Whether you're enjoying a coffee, taking photos, or simply sitting and watching the world go by, Piazza delle Erbe captures the true spirit of Verona. It's not just a place to visit, it's a place to experience. 6. Scaliger Tombs. The Scaliger Tombs, or Archie Scaliger, are some of Verona's most striking and atmospheric landmarks. Nestled near Piazza dei Signori, these ornate Gothic monuments honor the powerful Scaliger family, who ruled Verona during the 13th and 14th centuries. What makes the tombs truly captivating is their intricate design. Each monument is adorned with delicate spires, statues, and sculpted details that rise dramatically toward the sky, creating an almost fairy tale-like effect. The artistry reflects both the wealth and the influence of the Scaliger family, turning a resting place into a timeless work of art. Walking among the tombs, you can feel the weight of history and the grandeur of Verona's medieval past. The tomb's dark stone contrasts beautifully with the sunlight filtering through nearby streets, and every angle offers a new detail to admire, from carved figures to the delicate pinnacles pointing heavenward. The Scaliger tombs are more than just monuments. They are a testament to Verona's elegance, power, and artistic brilliance, inviting every visitor to pause, reflect, and marvel at the city's extraordinary heritage. And that wraps up our journey through some of the most beautiful and historic spots in Verona. From the grandeur of the Verona Arena to the vibrant energy of Piazza delle Erbe, the breathtaking views from Torre dei Lamberti, the charm of Ponte Pietra, the strength and beauty of Castelvecchio and its bridge, and the stunning artistry of the Scaliger Tombs, Verona truly is a city where history and beauty meet at every corner. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more travel adventures, and ring the bell so you never miss a journey. Share your favorite Verona spot in the comments below. We'd love to hear where you'd go first. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next adventure.